see you in a minute.
Can you see Alex?
I can see him absolutely covered in food. Look at him. He thinks it's great.
It's...
Look at you. Oh, I'm not going to be able to see you, Charlie. What I'll get is an eye if you stand right there.
Can you see me?
I can see you.
Can you see the door?
I can see the door.
Look! That's only silly. That's only silly.
Is it? What have you got for your dinner?
I don't know.
What does it look like? Oh, that's a nice healthy dinner, isn't it? Oh, chicken nuggets, tomato ketchup and potato faces. Oh, do we think Mummy couldn't be bothered to cook tonight?
Did you like them?
I do, I think it's lovely.
When I asleep, and when they finish, they will go to sleep too.
Is that good? Does that taste good? Yeah.
Why is he doing it like that?
That's what